Hello. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. I think I am audible, Alera. So, because of some technical issue, this happened. So, guys, hello. So, everyone, quickly smash the like button. Everyone, quickly smash the like button. Shoo, shoo. So, guys, I've seen that some students are saying depressed and all. But எதுக்கு depression எல்லாம் சில்லா இருக்கணும், okay? So, yeah. Hello. Hello. Yes, Da. What is your doubt? What is your doubt? What is your doubt? Yes, everyone quickly smash the like button. Everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. ஏன்னா ஒரு சின்ன டெக்னிக்கல் ஃபிக்ஸ் இருந்ததுனால தான் டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு, ஸ்ட்ரீம் எண்ட் ஆயிருக்கு. எஸ் டா, சுகம் சுகம் சுகம். எஸ் சுகம். வாய்ஸ் இஸ் லோ மேம், வாய்ஸ் இஸ் லோ. ஓ, வாய்ஸ் இஸ் லோ. இப்போ ஓகே அல்ல? இப்போ ஓகே அல்ல? வாய்ஸ் லோ மேம். மேம் வாய்ஸ் இஸ் லோ. ஹாய் பிரவீனா. Yes, Pravina is Ojal only. Ojal, bubbly. Hain, Ashika, Anu. Hello Anu, how are you Anu? Ashika, Sanjeev, Ojal, Gautam, Hajar. Yes. Word completed ara. என்ன complete பண்ணிருக்கு? என்ன complete பண்ணிருக்கடா? So here you can see இந்த டைம்ல நீங்க மேக்ஸிமம் கொஸ்டின் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணும்போது தான் உங்களோட மார்க் டெஸ்ட்ல மார்க் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும். உங்களோட லைக் டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அண்ட் அக்யூரசி எல்லாமே இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண முடியும். பிகாஸ் நீட்டை லைக் என்ன நார்மலி மேம் கண்டென்ட் ப்ராப்பராக தெரியும், கண்டென்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும். எஸ், கண்டென்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்கணும். பட் லைக் அக்யூரசி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான், அது மாதிரி டைம் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஸோ எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஸோ அதனால ஸோ என்ன ஒரு ப்ராப்பராக ஒரு நீட் செட்டப்பில் இருந்து எக்ஸாம் எழுதணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நார்மலி எனக்கு தெரியும் யூ ஆர் ரைட்டிங் மாக் டெஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஆல். பட் ஒரு ப்ராப்பர் நீட் செட்டப்பில் இருந்து மாக் டெஸ்ட் எழுதும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி என்ன டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் போய் பார்த்தா ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஃபார் தமிழ்நாடு பிக்கஸ்ட் ரீநீட் மாக் டெஸ்ட். ஸோ அது கிளிக் பண்ணால் ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி. ஸோ ஒரு மாக் டெஸ்ட் ஆக்சுவலி வேதாந்து டீம் இஸ் கண்டக்டிங் ஒன் மாக் டெஸ்ட். ஸோ இது கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஆஃப்லைன் மாக் டெஸ்ட் தான், கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஆஃப்லைன் மாக் டெஸ்ட் தான். அண்ட் ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி சேம் டே ரிசல்ட் வரும். ஓகே, சேம் டே ரிசல்ட் வரும் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஓஎம்ஆர் பேஸ்டு எக்ஸாம் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ நார்மலி நீங்கள் ஒரு லைக் ஒரு எக்ஸாம் சென்டரில் என்டர் ஆகும்போது ஒப்வியஸ்லி உங்களுக்கு டென்ஷன் இருக்கும், பேனிக் ஆகும், எல்லாமே இருக்கும். பட் ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி ஒரு எக்ஸாம் எழுதி உங்களுக்கு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஐம் ஃப்ரம் கர்நாடகா. ஓகே கௌதமிகா, கௌதம், எஸ் யூஆர் ஃப்ரம் கர்நாடகா. ஸோ எஸ், ஸோ உங்களுக்கு லைக் உங்களோட ஏஆர் எவ்வளோ வரும், இல்லைனா ரேங்க், ஓகே ரேங்க் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பர்சன்டேஜ், ஓகே எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் பர்சன்டேஜ் அண்ட் ரேங்க் ப்ராப்பராக இதுக்கப்புறம் தெரியும். ஓகே, இந்த எக்ஸாம் எழுதுனதுக்கப்புறம் அண்ட் உங்களோட மார்க் எவ்வளோ வரும். ஸோ லைக் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, பர்சன்டேஜ் இவ்வளோ வரும்னு எல்லாமே ப்ரெடிக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் திஸ் எக்ஸாம் ஸோ உங்களுக்கு அங்கேருந்து ஃப்ரீ கவுன்சிலிங் சப்போர்ட்டும் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போவே ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ என்டர் யுவர் நேம், கான்டாக்ட் நம்பர் அண்ட் ப்ரிஃபர்ட் லொக்கேஷன் யூ கேன் see here. ஸோ மதுரை, சேலம், கோயம்புத்தூர், மதுரை, சென்னை, மதுரை, பாண்டிச்சேரி இஸ் தேர், கோயம்புத்தூர், சேலம், ஈரோடு, திருநெல்வேலி, திருச்சி, ஒசூர், மதுக்கரை. ஸோ இது எல்லாமே இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களோட பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற வேதாந்து சென்டர்ல போய் நீங்க எக்ஸாம் எழுதிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் எக்ஸாம் கம்மிங் சண்டே, தட் மீன்ஸ் நாட் சண்டே, 13th. ஓகே, 13th ஜூன்ல தான் இருக்கு. 13th ஜூன், தட் மீன்ஸ் டுமாரோ சாட்டர்டே தான், நாட் சண்டே கைஸ். 13th ஜூன் அண்ட் டைம் இஸ் 2 PM to 5 PM வரைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ நார்மலி உங்களோட நீட் டைம் மாதிரி. ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ராப்பர் நீட் பேட்டர்னில் தான் எக்ஸாம் நடக்கும். ஸோ இப்போவே ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஓகே, எஸ் டுமாரோ சாட்டர்டேடா, எஸ் டுமாரோ தான் எக்ஸாம் இருக்கு. ஸோ இப்போவே போய் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அண்ட் எக்ஸாம் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. யா, so we can start our session from some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, so 3 hours travel can't attend. Okay, 3 hours travel வேண்டடா, பக்கத்துல ஏதாச்சும் வேதாந்து சென்டர் இருந்தா போய் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணு. ஓகே, அண்ட் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஓகே, ஸோ டைரக்டாக அட்டென்ட் பண்ண முடியாது, ஜஸ்ட் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஓகே, யா, ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we are starting with some basic concepts of chemistry. So first is atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity is very important. So atomicity is number of atom. Okay, ஒரு molecule எவ்வளோ atoms இருக்கு. So when you consider C6H12O6, so atomicity of this molecule is actually, so total. Hello Suki, how are you? Hello, no exam center ma'am. So பக்கத்துல exam centers இல்ல. Okay, so yes, so here you can see the molecule is C6H12O6. So here you can see that atomicity of this molecule is actually 24. Why? Because 24, total 24 atoms are there. Okay, carbon 6, hydrogen 12 and oxygen 6. So total 24 atoms are there. So that is the reason atomicity is 24. Okay, atomicity is 24. So when you consider atomicity of carbon, what is atomicity of carbon? Atomicity of carbon is how many carbon atoms are there? 6. Okay, and atomicity of hydrogen is 12. And atomicity of oxygen is actually 6. Okay, so here you can see this is atomicity. And next, when you consider atomicity of molecule, so molecule atomicity. Okay, when you consider molecule, so atomicity into atoms. Okay, atomicity into atoms. So here you can see molecule or atomicity leda. So we know that 2 is there. Okay, 2 atoms are there, 2 hydrogen is there. So this is the atomicity. Okay, this is atomicity of a molecule. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Then important another the charges. Okay, so charge, relative charge and mass, very important. Okay, so idu vechu normally in the values vechu neenga normally enna pananum, questions varum. Okay, so in the values vechu normally ungalku questions varum. Just a second. Hello guys. Yeah. Ashika, yes. So guys, so this is very important, charge and mass. Okay, so when you consider charge, the charge is actually, we know that electrons are negative, neutrons are neutral, and protons are positive. Okay, so here you can see the charge is actually minus, when you consider electron, minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, that is the charge of electron. So when you consider the charge of proton, it is just opposite, just change the sign only. Okay, we know that electron is negative, proton is positive. So plus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so and what about neutrons? Neutron means there is no charge. Okay, no charge, it's neutral. Okay, it's neutral. Neutral means no charge, no positive charge, no negative charge, nothing. Okay, so next is relative charge. Okay, we are relating this charge. So when you consider electron or a charge, it is just it's same only. Okay, it is same, the value is actually same, there is only one difference, that is the sign. Okay, that is the sign, that is the sign. Okay, so when you consider relative charge, so everyone quickly smash the like button. Come on, quickly smash the like button, because I want to see 50 plus likes. Okay, 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 so I hope, yeah. So here you can see relative charge means it is electron is minus 1. Then what about the charge of proton? Proton is actually positive 1. Okay, neutron, it is 0. Okay, neutron is 0. So everyone quickly smash the like button. Come on, I want to see 100 plus likes. Okay, but first target is 50. Come on guys, here I can see 27 students. If my teacher asks me, definitely I will like the session. Okay, no doubt. Yeah, so relative charge is this. Okay, then mass, when you consider the mass of electron, it is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Okay, so yeah, it is very, 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 very small. Okay, it is very small. And when you consider the mass of proton, the mass of proton is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Okay, so 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. And what is the mass of neutron? Mass of neutron is equal to 1.6 into 27, I mean 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. It is almost similar. Okay, when you consider the mass of proton and mass of neutron, there is values after the 6 also. Okay, there is only 1 digit difference when you compare the proton and neutron value. But the thing is, like, when you consider the mass of proton and neutron, the mass of neutron is more than mass of proton. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now only, okay, it's okay, Fatima. So the mass of mass of neutron is more than mass of proton. I hope it's clear. And next point, when you consider the mass of electron and proton, we can neglect the mass of electron. Okay, we can neglect the mass of electron. Okay, because it is very, very, very small. When you compare, like 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 and 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. So when you compare this, so we can neglect the mass of electron. Okay, that much small it is. Okay, that much small it is. So if you write the relative mass, we can write the mass of electron is 0. We can neglect, when you compare with the mass of proton, we can neglect the mass of electron. So relative mass is equal to 0. Okay, of electron. Okay, it is 0. When you consider the relative mass of proton is 1, and for neutron also it is 1. So normally we will use the unit that is AMU. What is AMU? That is atomic mass unit. Okay, atomic mass unit. Okay, so atomic mass unit, or you can say that U. Okay, normally now you will use small letter U, that is unified mass. Okay, unified mass. Okay, next important point is isotope. Guys, what is isotope? Tell me, what is isotope? What is isotope? Yes, Akka. Atomic mass unit. Yes. Doubt, Akka. Tell me. Same mass number. Same mass number and same mass number and same but different. What is different? Same atomic number, different mass number. Yes, very good. So guys, this is very basic. So isotope means same atomic number. Same atomic number means, what is same atomic number, Ada? Same atomic number means same number of protons. So we know that atomic number means same number of proton and electron. So electron, the number of electron will change. Okay, the number of electron will change. You can see in cation and anions. Okay, so electron number will change, but proton is same for every not every atom. So every time when you, if it is cation anion, okay, so proton is same, but difference in mass number. Okay, different mass number. For example, here I can say hydrogen 1 hydrogen 2 hydrogen 3 So atomic atomic number is same, but mass number is different there. Okay, what is actually mass number means? What is mass number? Number of proton and number of neutron. Okay, that is mass number. Okay, number of proton plus number of neutron, that is mass number. Okay, so number of proton plus number of neutron is mass number. Guys, இப்படியும் question வரலாம். So number of proton is same and number of neutron is different, that is also isotope. Okay, that is also isotope. Okay, that is also isotope. Okay, so here you can see number of proton, same number of proton but different number of neutron, that is also correct. Okay, that is also correct. And same chemical properties but different physical properties. So when you consider hydrogen 1 go become a here, guys. So hydrogen 1 hydrogen 2 hydrogen 3 So here I am writing. Okay, hydrogen 1 hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 3 Yeah, so here the atomic number is same. Okay, here the atomic number is same, but mass number is different. Okay, mass number is different. Okay, atomic number is same, but mass number hydrogen. So I am taking random A A A 333 and the percentages, like this is atomic masses 3 4 5 and guys, the percentage abundance, it's loading. Seriously, it's loading. Is it okay, guys? Now okay. Okay, Lada. So everyone quickly smash the like button. Come on here. Okay, Now okay, ma'am. Okay, yeah. So here you can see the atomic number is same but mass number is different, and guys the percentage abundance is okay. So the percentage abundance of A33 is we can assume that it is 95 percentage on earth, and the percentage abundance of A43 is actually 3 percentage, and the percentage abundance of A53 is 2 percentage. Okay, we can assume that. So what is the average atomic mass? Average, how we will calculate average atomic mass? So I'm writing average atomic mass. Okay, how we will calculate? It is very simple. Okay, guys, am I audible? Am I audible now? Perfect, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So here you can see average atomic mass, how we will calculate. So in the same question, okay, or three times repeated வந்திருக்கு. Okay, three times repeated in the same type of question வந்திருக்கு. Yes, we will do questions, problems, questions also. Okay. Yeah, next important, first we will finish, then we will do content and we will do questions. Okay. Yeah, so here you can see isotope. Now we know what is isotopes. Okay, so next is isobar. Iso means same. Okay, so isobar means same, it is just opposite of isotopes. Okay, so isobar means same mass number but different atomic number. Okay, same mass number but different. Problem solved. எடா இப்போ லோட் ஆகலல்ல. Yes, same here Fatima. என்னடா? Yeah, so here you can see what is isobars, same mass number. Okay, mass number is same but it is just opposite of isotopes. Okay, same mass number but different atomic number. Atomic number is different. Okay, so what is same mass number means? Same mass number means we know that mass number means proton plus neutron. Okay, proton plus neutron. Here same mass number means proton plus neutron is same. Okay, but different atomic number. Okay, but different atomic number. What different atomic number means? Different proton. Okay, proton is different. Okay, proton is different. Okay, clear. Then next is isotones. Okay, next is isotones. What does isotones means? Isotones means same number of neutrons. Okay, same number of neutrons. Okay, okay, I will check. Okay, what are Shweta? Shweta. So isoelectronic. Okay, what is isoelectronic? Da isoelectronic means same number of electron. Okay, so here you can see isotone means same number of neutron. So isotone என்ன இருக்கு? N இருக்கு. So this N. Okay, isotone N is there. So same number of neutrons. Okay, same number of, we know that isotope. Isotope means same atomic number, different mass number. Okay, isobar means just opposite of isotopes. So when you consider isotone means isotone is actually same neutrons. Okay, same neutrons. And next is isoelectronics. What is isoelectronic means? Same number of electrons. Okay, same number of electron. That is isoelectronics. Okay, same number of electrons. So next is isodiffers. Okay, isodiffers means same, when you consider number of neutron minus number of proton, that is same. Okay, if number of neutron minus number of proton is same, then that is isodiffers. Okay, isodiffers. And next is isosters. Okay, what is isosters? Isosters means same number of electron and atomicity. Guys, you know what is atomicity? Already we discussed. So atomicity means number of atoms. Okay, so atomicity of molecule irukku, atomicity of particular molecule, number of carbons, number of hydrogen அப்படி எல்லாம் வரலாம். Okay, so isosters means same number of electron and atomicity. Okay, same number of electron and atomicity, that is isosters. Then next is we are moving to mole concept. So when you consider mole concept la main three part தான் இருக்கு. Okay, mainly three equation தான் இருக்கு. So அந்த equation base பண்ணிட்டு தான் என்ன மோல் கான்செப்ட் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ வென் யூ கன்சிடர் மோல் கான்செப்ட்னு சொல்லும்போது நார்மலி நமக்கு தெரியும், எஸ் மோல் கான்செப்ட் அவகேட்ரோ number தான். Okay, so that is Avogadro number. So we know that Avogadro number is actually 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, then what we know? So that much particle, that much atoms, that much ions and that much electrons. Okay, we will call that is that is mole. Okay, that is mole. Okay, that is Avogadro number nu சொல்லும்போது 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle atoms இல்லனா ions. Okay, so அதுதான் என்னடா Avogadro number. ஸோ நமக்கு நார்மலி தெரியும். ஸோ கிலோகிராம் இருக்கு, கிராம் இருக்கு, அண்ட் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைப் ஆஃப் மெஷர்மெண்ட் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரு ஹியூமன் சொல்லும்போது இல்லைன்னா ஏதாச்சும் சொல்லும்போது கிராமில் சொல்லலாம், இல்லை கிலோகிராமில் சொல்லலாம். பட் த திங் இஸ் லைக் when you consider atoms, ions, electrons எல்லாமே கன்சிடர் பண்ணும்போது இது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப டைனி பார்ட்டிகல். டைனி மீன்ஸ் மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் பார்ட்டிகளோட கேஸில் we can't say that 1 kilogram, 1 gram. Ma'am, in the physical chemistry only for 12th, please. So first I will finish 12th, then if I have time I will start like what 12. Achha. First I will finish 11th and then I will start 12th. Okay, so time path it. Okay, so yes, so here you can see, yeah, what, so Avogadro number means it's 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles. Okay, number of, when you consider hydrogen. Okay, so when you consider hydrogen means 1 mole hydrogen means, assume that 1 mole hydrogen. So 1 mole hydrogen la evlo particles irukum? So that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Okay, that we can write Na hydrogen. Okay, 1 mole hydrogen I want to write here, 1 mole hydrogen. So that is Na hydrogen. What is Na hydrogen? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen. Okay, so when you consider H2, 1 mole H2. Okay, so 1 mole H2 la evlo hydrogen atoms irukku? My question is 1 mole H2 la evlo hydrogen atoms irukku? 1 mole hydrogen la 1 mole H2 la evlo hydrogen atoms irukku? One smile please. Want to see my smile? 2. Yes, very good. Shweta? So that is 2 into, because it's hydrogen molecule. Okay, it's hydrogen molecule. Appo 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, and not molecules, particles. That means hydrogens. Okay, hydrogens are there. I hope it's clear alleda, in the concept clear alle. So yes, very good. Okay, Hepsi. Okay, then we are moving to important equations. Okay, so how we will calculate moles? So moles calculate பண்றதுக்கு three equations தான் இருக்கு. So here you can see, first equation is given mass by molar mass. Okay, they will give you mass. Okay, so we know that molar mass, we know the molar mass. So given mass by molar mass. Okay, maybe atomic mass. Okay, if it is atom, we can consider atomic mass. Okay, so given mass by molar mass. And next is given particle by Na. What is given particle by Na da? So given particle means they will give this much particles are there, this number of particles are there. So given particle divided by Na. No voice, akka. So given particle. Am I audible, guys? Eda, Shweta, Ankita, Jayshankar. Yes. Okay, so here next is given particle divided by Na. Okay, yeah. So given particle by Na means they will give you number of particles and all. Okay, so third one is given volume by molar volume. Okay, given volume by molar volume. So you will get number of moles. Then I will give you one question. Okay, I will give you one question. So come on. Come on, try. So how we will calculate? So from here, you can see mass is given, okay? Mass is given. So we know that molar mass of potassium, that is 40. So here it is given 7 gram. So you will get number of moles. Okay. Inge you can calculate number of moles. From number of moles, you can calculate given particle, number of particle. Okay, number of atom. You can calculate number of atom. Try that. So first you should calculate number of moles. How we will calculate number of moles? Given mass by molar mass. Molar mass of potassium is 40. So you can write 7 divided by 40. You will get number of moles. So from number of moles you can calculate given particles. Settle. So everyone quickly smash the like button. So 10, 10. So here 7 gram of potassium. So I am writing first we should calculate moles. So how we will calculate mole? 7 divided by 40. Okay. So that is equal to mole. So we know that mole is equal to again given particle divided by Na. That is our Avogadro number. Okay. Given particle divided by Avogadro number. So from here you can write it as it is mole. Okay. It is same only. Okay. It is same. So you can write it as 7 divided by 40 equal to given particle I am writing Gp. Okay. Gp divided by Na. So, Na is equal to, I am giving value, okay, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And I can write it as 7 divided by 40 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 equal to Cp. Okay, so you will get answer. So either calculate panna, you will get answer. So what is your answer? Tell me. Okay. So almost there are options இருக்கும்ல, so அது match பண்ணா போதும். Okay. Next question is here. You can see the next question. How many moles of HNO3 solution contain 0.5 moles of oxygen atom? How many HNO3 solution contain? How many moles of HNO3 solution contain 0.5 moles of oxygen atom? Okay. Come on. So guys, here it is simple. So first you should calculate mole from given value. So given value la irundhu mole calculate பண்ணனும். So mole calculate பண்ணது maybe அவங்க கேட்டு இருக்கிறது maybe volume, mass or particle. So இதுல இருந்து you can calculate mole, mass and particle. I'm not tired, Ara. So you're saying it's 1 by 6. Yeah, I will take rest after Re-NEET. Okay. So now you guys are saying 1 by 6. Yes, correct answer is 1 by 6 only. So I will tell you the steps. Okay. So we know that number of moles of oxygen. How many number of moles of oxygens are there? 3. Okay. In 1 mole of HNO3, you can see 3 mole of oxygen. Okay. So here you can see 1 mole of HNO3 is equal to 3 mole of oxygen is there. So here I am writing 1 mole of HNO3 is equal to, again I am writing, I don't know why I write. So 3 mole of oxygen means 1 mole of HNO3. And 1 mole of oxygen. So guys, here you can see 3 mole of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen means that is very simple, 1 by 3 moles of HNO3. So 0.5 moles of oxygen means 0.5 divided by 3 moles of HNO3. It's very simple. So NHNO3 means 1 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 divided by 3 means you will get 6. Okay, 1 by 6. So next we are moving to stoichiometry. Okay, stoichiometry, we know that when you consider this reaction, okay, so 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Okay, 2 SO2 plus O3 means
So, अच्छा, studio पे ठीक है. Now it didn't happen.
that time. So I
नहीं, power तो है. No, power is there. It's off. It's off, no?
yeah. Seriously, me Lerin ma'am. Hi Lerin ma'am. That is not Lerin ma'am. Okay, yeah. So, stoichiometry, when you consider this reaction, so we can explain in different way, okay, through moles, through molecules, through volume, using mass, okay, yeah. So, first we are using mole, okay. So, here you can see 2 moles of SO2 react with 1 mole of O2 will give 2 moles of SO3, okay. So, that is in terms of moles, okay. Moles வச்சு அப்படி represent பண்ணலாம் or molecules வச்சு same molecules வச்சு சொல்லும்போது 2 molecules of SO3 react with 1 molecule of O2 to give 2 molecule of SO3, okay. And next is volume caseல சொல்லும்போது you can see that. So we know that standard volume 1 mole oda volume nu சொல்லும்போது we know that that is 22.4 liter, okay. So when you consider here 2 moles are there, okay, 2 moles are there, so 2 into 10 raised to no 2 into 22.4 liter of SO2 react with 1, that means 22.4 liter of O2 to give 2 into 22.4 liter of SO3. அது வால்யத்தோட கேஸ்ல, ஓகே, வால்யத்தோட கேஸ்ல, ஓகே. So when you consider, என்னடா, what is that? ஓஜல் லெரின் மேம் இல்ல, okay. So yes, next is mass. When you consider mass, so mass means 2 into mass of SO2, okay. So 2 into mass of SO2. So just calculate oxygen mass, hydrogen mass, எல்லாமே separately, okay. So 2 into mass of SO2 react with என்ன mass சொல்லும்போது oxygen ஓட mass, that means O2 ஓட mass will give total mass 2 into SO3 mass, okay. அது mass ஓட கேஸ்ல, okay. This is actually stoichiometry. Stoichiometry ன்னு சொல்லும்போது இங்க எவ்வளோ moles இருக்கு, எவ்வளோ molecules இருக்கு, அதுதான் stoichiometry ஓட பேசிஸ்ல சொல்லும். Who? Shweta? Yes, yes, Shankar is Divya. Yeah, yeah, Divya. Shweta is also Divya. Your name is also Divya, Shweta? That I don't know. Yeah. So, when you consider, I will give you a reaction that is, Okay. We should balance the equation. Oxygen is 2. Okay. So, they will ask Lenin. Pookie mamku badala Lenin mam vandirukka. Eda, idukada sorry. Oh, cha. Cha, you are asking sorry. Idukku. So everyone quickly smash the like button. Everyone quickly smash the like button. Okay. So yeah. So here I will give you one question. That is here. Um, 32 gram. 32 gram. And this is, you should calculate volume of oxygen. Okay, you should calculate volume of oxygen. This is actually stoichiometry related question. How we will calculate volume of oxygen, Ada? How we will calculate volume of oxygen? How we will calculate volume of oxygen, Ada? So how we will calculate? First you should write, it is given by stoichiometry. So here, what you should write the standard values. Okay, you should write the standard values. So what is here? It is 33, not 3 gram. It is 32 gram. Okay, it is 32 gram. So what is the standard? You should write standard value here. Standard value here. So what is the standard mass of CH2? That is CH2 carbon 12 and hydrogen 2. It's not CH2, it's CH4. By mistake I wrote CH2. It is CH4. It is CH4. Okay. Okay. So here carbon and 4 hydrogen. So it is 16. Okay. So standard value is 16 gram. I want to take some other color. Yeah. And what is the standard? Here we should find the volume. Okay, what is the standard volume of oxygen? Standard volume is 22.4 liter. So 2 into 22.4 liter. Okay, 2 into 22.4 liter. So how we will calculate? Just cross multiply. Okay, just cross multiply this. That means 16 into cross multiply this. So you will get 16 into VO2 equal to 2 into 22, that is 44.4, 44.8, 44.8 into 32 gram. So you should find VO2. VO2 is equal to 44.8 into 32 divided by 16. So you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. So tell me guys, what is the answer? So me, Shweta, but remember me because I know. Yeah, I know you are watching all the session. You are watching. So again and again, I'm saying Shweta alle. So அப்போ என்னோட மைண்ட்ல அந்த ஸ்வேதா அந்த ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கு. வயசாகுதுல்ல. Again loading. Seriously loading? No. It's perfect alle. Hello Shalini. Age is just a number that I believe. Now okay ma'am, okay. Hello Shalini. Shalini, preparations எல்லாம் எப்படி போகுது ma'am? I'm good. I'm super. அடிபொலியா போகுது. Yeah, I'm young. I know. Yeah. So you will get answer, okay? இது like இது calculate பண்ணும்போது you will get the answer next. So if you want, I will give you one more question. If you want, I will give you one more question. Okay. Okay, then I will give you one more question. So let me check another question. So I will write here CH4 plus O2. No. This only I will give, okay? Yeah. CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Balance this equation. You should find mass of CO2. Come on, try. There always are young Pokemon. Oh, Fatima. Thank you. Divya, Fatima. திவ்யா, இதுக்கப்புறம் நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்னு தெரியுமா? எல்லா கிளாஸ்லயும் வரும்போது மேம், do you remember my name னு கேட்கணும், ஓகே? 1, 2 CO2, 2 H2. Come on, everyone, quickly smash the like button. Ojal. Now, எனக்கு இப்போ ப்ராப்பரா தெரியும். Praveen means it's ojal. So you guys are saying 88 gram. So இதுவும் cross multiply பண்ண மாதிரி போதும். So இல்லாம அவ்வளோ. Yes. So come on, everyone, tell me your answer. Yeah. Ankita, yeah. So 88 is correct answer, Ada. Then we are moving to limiting reagent. So limiting reagent main I will give you. They will ask which one is limiting reagent. Okay. So what you should do? So given divided by, this is G by S. Okay. G by S. This is your Gopika ma'am. G by S. S what? G by S. S. Okay. So G by S. So given by stoichiometry. Okay. So given by stoichiometry. So given, they will give you mass or something, ratio or something. Okay. So given by stoichiometry, just write the stoichiometry here. If it is 1, you can write 1. Here it is 3. So divided by 3. Okay. Divided by 3. So idile which one lower value nu identify பண்ணனும். Which one excess value irukku, which one is lower value. Lower value is actually limiting reagent. Okay. Lower value is actually limiting reagent. Okay. So here you can see 20 by 1, 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 means it is the lower value. So it is the limiting reagent. Okay. Gopika ma'am divided by session. Gopika ma'am divided by session. Okay. Any other trick? S4. Gopika ma'am divided by session. Gopika ma'am divide session. Okay. So G by S. Okay. So yes. So this is the excess reagent. That is the limiting reagent. Okay. So limiting reagent ode ഒരു simple trick da G by S method. Okay. G by S method. Then. If you want, I will give you one question. Just a second. Okay. $56 grams of N2 react with 179 2-liter H2 gas at 1 atm. And 273 Kelvin to form what is the mass of NH3? Come on, draw. Do it. Try this question. So 56 gram of N2 react with the 179 liter of H2 gas at 1 atm pressure. Okay. So it is actually a Haber process. Haber process, you should write N2 plus H2 gives NH3. So you should balance this equation. 2, 3. So given divided by stoichiometry. It's very simple. So you can write what is given here. I am writing what is given here. N2, that is 56 gram N2 react with the hydrogen 179.2 liter, and you don't know this. Okay. And it is standard temperature and pressure. Okay, it is standard temperature and pressure. So you can calculate the mass from here. How we will calculate mass? Given divided by, so here it is 56 divided by 59, 56 divided by nitrogen mass is actually 40. So here it is liter. Okay, this is gram and this is liter. So 179.2 liter divided by, it is in STP. So that is divided by 22.4 liter. Oh, no, not 22.4 liter. Yeah, 22.4. 22.4 liter. Okay, 22.4 liter. So divide பண்ணும்போது you will get an answer. So அந்த answer கூட stoichiometry வச்சு divide பண்ணா போதும். Okay, so stoichiometry வச்சு அந்த answer கூட divide பண்ணா போதும். I hope it's clear. Clear அல்ல? So guys, I will give you break. Okay, clear அல்ல? ஏதாச்சும் doubt இருக்கா? Answer. Okay. So 56 divided by 14. 56 divided by 14 illa 28 varunda, because for 1 nitrogen illa N2 illa, so 14, and so you will get there the 2. So you will get 2 here, 2 and 70. Yes, 8, you will get 8 here. So here 2, inga 8 தான் இருக்கு. So inga mass is 2 and 8. So when you consider nitrogen, nitrogen is 2 alle. 2 by stoichiometry is 1, 2 by 1 and 8 by 3, 8 by 3. This is for nitrogen and this is for hydrogen. Okay, so 8 by 3 and 2 by 1 உண்டு இருக்கு. So இதுல less value இருக்கிறது. So this one, so 8 by 6 பண்ணும்போது you will get value பார்க்கணும். So you will get limiting reagent 2 by 3 and so இதில் 2 by 3 இல்லைனா 8 by 3 2 by 1 8 by 3 limiting reagent obviously calculate பண்ணுங்க. So what is the limiting reagent? 2 by 1 8 by 3 less value limiting reagent அவ்வளோதான். So yeah, break. So yeah, எல்லாரும் 125 ஆகும்போது வரணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி யா எஸ் எஸ் இட்ஸ் லஞ்ச் பிரேக், இட்ஸ் லஞ்ச் பிரேக். Yeah. Yeah, hello. I'm not audible. Okay. Class duration, yeah. So next is law of chemical combination. So in law of chemical combination, five laws are very important. Okay, five laws are there in law of chemical. Only five laws are there. Okay, so the five laws are important now. So of law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, Gay-Lussac's law, and Avogadro's law. Okay, law of gaseous polymer, Gay-Lussac's law. ஸோ ஹியர் கைஸ் இதில் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் ஆனது, ஸோ அந்த லோ என்ன லைக் ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்ணதும் யாருன்னு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஓகே, ஸோ ரெண்டுமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். யூ கேன் சி ஹியர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லோஸ். ஓகே, Gay-Lussac's law. Then is empirical formula and molecular formula. Empirical formula and molecular formulaயும் important தான். ஸோ இதில் இல்லைடா, லஞ்சு கிளாஸுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் லஞ்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ யா, ஸோ empirical formula simple wall number ratio, and actually empirical formula means it is the simple wall number ratio. Okay, so when you consider C6H12O6, okay, so this is the proper molecular formula. Okay, this is the proper molecular formula. இதோட simplest wall number ratio தான் empirical formula. So when you consider this one, இதை எல்லாமே 6 வச்சு டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, so you will get 1, here you will get 2, here you will get 1. Okay, so you can write CH2O. Okay, CH2O. This is actually empirical formula. Okay, empirical formula means அடா இப்போ audible அல்ல, இப்போ clear அல்ல, me no. ஏடா கரெக்ட் டைமில் சாப்பிடுவோம். எஸ், ஐ வில் டூ. எடா அது ஆக்சுவலி பசிக்கலடா, பசிக்காமல் எப்படி சாப்பிட முடியும், அதுதான் பிரச்சனை. பசி வரல, பசி வரணும் இல்லை, ஸோ பசி வரல. ஸோ யா, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி atomic structure. ஸோ atomic structureல you can see மெயினாக like Dalton's theory. Okay, Dalton's theory we can explain law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, and law of multiple proportion. Okay, in actually Dalton's theory இது இந்த 3 பாயிண்ட்ஸும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, ஸோ லா ஆஃப் கன்சர்வேஷன் ஆஃப் மாஸ், லா ஆஃப் மல்டிபிள் ப்ரொபோர்ஷன், அண்ட் லா ஆஃப் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷன். ஸோ இது ரெண்டுமே இந்த மூணுமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். இது வச்சு லைக் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயரில் கொஸ்டினும் வந்திருக்கு. ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி Dalton's atomic theory could not explain which of the following. So tell me the answer. Fatima said. Fatima சாப்பிட்டாச்சா Fatima? Did you had your lunch? No matter. Great. Not you eat, ma'am, because at correct time the stomach acid should react with the food we eat, or else gaseous reaction might happen, which will make you. Yeah, yeah, I know, but yeah, I will have something. I will drink water. Okay, I will drink water. You okay? What did you had? what your mom make for you இன்னைக்கு? ஸோ ஃப்ரைடே ஸ்பெஷல் என்ன? Lakshya, you are correct. Yeah. So Dalton's atomic theory could not could not explain which of the following. Option A, law of conservation of mass, law of multiple proportion, and law of constant proportion, law of gaseous volume. Yeah, correct answer is option 4 is the correct answer. Now only we just said pulao and Guntur chicken. Wow. Set to Fatima. So Fatima, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Kanishka, hello Kanishka. Prawns fry and sambar. Prawns fry and sambar sadam. Oh, so adivoli. Prawns fry. I'm missing actually. என்னோட வீட்டில் இருக்கிற ஃபுட் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுது. ஃபாத்திமாஸ் ஃப்ரம் சென்னை. ஓகே, ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுது. ப்ரான்ஸ் ஃப்ரை, சாம்பார், ரைஸ், கர்ட், பப்படம், சாம்பார். ஓ, சாம்பார் அண்ட் ஃபிஷ் ஃப்ரை வேற லெவலு. So next is subatomic particle. We already discussed about subatomic particles. Okay, electron, proton, neutron. And இங்க இருக்கிறது electron யாரு discover பண்ணியிருக்கு? Electron discover பண்ணது J.J. Thomson. And proton, that is Goldstein, and neutron is Chadwick. Okay, so see, ma'am. No, I don't feel hungry till now, but I want to eat my kuch homely food. Homely food I want to eat. Sambar, rice, papadam, fish curry. அந்த மூடு இருக்கு இப்போ. ஹோம்லி ஃபுட் கிடைச்சா ஓகே, இல்லாம வேண்டாம். ஹோம்லி ஃபுட் வேணும் கொஞ்சம். சைட் டிஷ் எல்லாம் வச்சு. ஓ ஓ feel after Re-NEET take break and go to home. Yeah, I will go to home. Definitely I want to. I'm drinking water. Yeah, I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. I'm from Kerala, Kozhikode, Calicut. After Re-NEET, I will invite you, ma'am, to home. So, Lakshya, where are you from? Where are you from? Lakshya? Lakshay, not Yale. Lakshay. Lakshay, where are you from? From Chennai or Arun? Yeah. You're Bangalore. So I'm also in Bangalore. Now I am staying in Bangalore. No, I want to have lunch. I will. Oh my god. What is this? நீங்க ஆக்சுவலி ஆஃப்லைன் விசிட் இருக்கும்ல, அப்போ நீங்க எல்லாருமே ஆஃப்லைன் விசிட்டுக்கு வாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ வி கேன் மீட், வி கேன் ஹாவ் ஃபுட் ஃப்ரம் தேர். நோடா சஞ்சீவ், ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஹாவ் ஃபுட், பட் இப்போ பசிக்கலை. ஐ டோன்ட் ஃபீல் ஹங்க்ரி, அதனால சாப்பிடலை. Where is Lakshya? Lakshya போயிட்டேன், பெங்களூர்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இல்லை. Mm. Okay, I'm waiting for that day. Okay. What's special? Nothing special for real. Ankita, yes, hello Ankita, Sanjeev. So guys, நீங்க எல்லாருமே சாப்பிட்டாச்சா? அங்கிதா, சஞ்சீவ், இன்னைக்கு என்ன ஸ்பெஷல்? கனிஷ்கா, எடா சாப்பிடவே இல்லை. அப்போ என்கிட்ட என்ன ஸ்பெஷல்னு கேட்டா நான் என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் சொல்லுவேன்? நத்திங் ஸ்பெஷல் ஆல்சோ. ரமேஷ், எஸ் ரமேஷ், அஸ்வதி மேம். ஓஹோஹோ, லக்ஷய். லக்ஷய், வேர் ஆர் யூ ஃப்ரம்? ஐ மீன், பெங்களூர்ல ப்ராப்பர் எங்க இருக்கு லக்ஷய்? Saying nothing, ma'am. Kanishka is also saying nothing. Yeah, Grishma, definitely I will buy chocolate for you. No worries. But Navya will give us chocolate party. Navya will give us chocolate party. Navya is not there. Alle. What happened to Navya? Navya will give chocolate party. Harini, hello Harini. Yes, Grishma, I will give you chocolate. Grishma, okay. Okay, so we can start the session. Okay, so yeah, so already we discussed mass, charge and everything. Charges for electron it is minus, and for proton it is plus. Okay. JP Nagar, oh, it's near only. Seriously, it is near. I'm staying in HSR. Oh, it's near, so near. Oh my god, Lakshay is my neighbor, I think. JP Nagar, wow, that's so nice. Yeah, then next is atomic number. Okay, atomic number and mass number. So that also we discussed what is atomic number, what is mass number. So wait, mama, and come. Okay, I will wait. Okay, okay. So here I will give you one question. You can write the answer. Number of proton, neutron, and electron. Send me live location. So I am now in HSR. HSRH at kitchen ஓட பக்கத்துல. Current location போதும்ல, live location வேணுமா? Do you need my live location or current location? Even Fatima will not come. She is from Chennai. Come on guys, write the answer. So everyone quickly smash the like button. For sure. Yeah, Fatima will come one day. Waiting for Fatima. So tell me guys, what is the correct answer? So number of proton, neutron, and electron, and okay. LU 175, 71. So we know that this is mass number, this is number of proton, number of electron, and they ask proton, neutron, electron. Proton, neutron. Correct answer is option A. Fatima will also come. Kanishka, are you coming to Bangalore? Lakshay will come. Kanishka will, alla. Fatima will come. Is any other students are coming? Isotope, isobar, isotons already we discussed. Then I will give you one question. You are late. I will try. பண்ணடா சீரியஸா கேட்கல கனிஷ்கா பண்ணா கேட்டது one ma'am again one. So from the following pair which is not isoelectronic, what is isoelectronic means? There are same number of electron. So Fe2 plus Mn2 plus, not from the following, not iso. Fe2 plus 24, Mn2 plus 23. Correct answer is option A is the correct answer, Ada. Because what is isoelectronic? Same number of electrons should be there. So when you consider Fe2 plus means Fe2 plus contain 24 electron. When you consider Mn2 plus contain 23 electrons. So option A is correct. Then what is next? This is the next question. This is also 1996 question. NEET la vanda question. Which of the following species is isotonic? Isotonic means same number of neutrons. Just calculate, say how we will calculate same number of neutron. A minus Z. So you will give number of neutrons. Shika, yes, Ashika saying 1 86 minus 37. This is also correct. The correct answer is option A only. Option A is the correct answer. So next we are moving to atomic model. So atomic model is very important in this chapter. So first model, who introduced the first model, that is Thomson. After that Rutherford, then Bohr, then quantum mechanical model of atom. So we know that from Thomson plum pudding model or Thomson's watermelon model, okay, it is called. So after that Rutherford introduced another model of atom. So using alpha particle scattering experiment. Okay, next is Bohr model. So Bohr model means it is the first, it explain the quantitative general features of atom. Okay, so especially for hydrogen atom. Okay, so he explained hydrogen spectrum and all. And after that quantum mechanical model of atom. So here it is based on dual behavior of matter. Okay, so matter க்கு two type of behaviors இருக்கு. So அது quantum mechanical model தான் explain பண்ணிருக்கு. Okay, so here I will give you one question. You can write the answer. According to Thomson plum pudding model, before that I just want to yeah, Thomson model. So when you consider Thomson model, we know that ஸோ இது ஒரு வாட்டர்மெலன் மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அதில் இருக்கிற ரெட் பல்ப் இருக்குல்ல, வாட்டர்மெலனில் இருக்கிற ரெட் பல்ப். ஸோ அந்த ரெட் பல்ப் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ். ஓகே, ரெட் pulp என்னடா positive charge and the electrons are embedded in it. Okay, electrons are embedded in it. So you know that and the red pulp let's seeds அங்கங்க embedded இருக்கும்ல. So same way, so ஆட்டமும் அது மாதிரி தான். எஸ் ஃபாத்திமா. ஸோ வாட்டர்மெலன் அந்த ரெட் பல்ப்பு பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜ் அண்ட் த ஹியர் இட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி atom is நியூட்ரல்னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. the amount of positive charge and the amount of negative charge is actually equalனு சொல்லியிருக்கு. ஓகே, அதுதான் தாம்சன்ஸ் மாடல் ஆஃப் ஆட்டம். ஸோ இயர் எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். 18 ஜஸ்ட் அவ்வளோ யாரும் இயர் கேட்க மாட்டா, பட் we can expect this type of question also. Okay, so 1898 தான் நடந்திருக்கு. and this is also called watermelon model, plum pudding model and resin pudding model. Okay, so இதுதான் இதுல important points. then I will give you one question. yeah come on, write the answer. According to Thomson, plum pudding model is correct. Which statement is correct? B, you have doubt அடா, எதுக்கு doubt? So atom consists of dense positively charged nucleus. nucleus ஒன்னும் அப்பா யாரு சொல்லல, தாம்சன் நியூக்ளியஸே சொல்லல, just positive and negative charges இருக்கு and they are complete atom is neutral னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. and இந்த மாஸ் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்றது ஈக்குவலா மாஸ் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணியிருக்கு. அது மட்டும்தான் என்ன தாம்சனோட கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன். ஓகே, so positive charge and mass of the mass are uniformly distributed and electron are embedded in it. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so yes, correct option. We can check option C and D also. Electron revolving, no, nothing. So most of the atom is empty in space. No, this is also wrong. Correct answer is option B. Okay, option B is the correct answer. யாரு correct answer A னு சொல்லியிருக்கு. Thomson consists of dense positive charge nucleus. nucleus எங்க, nucleus சொன்னதே யாரு, ரூதர்ஃபோர்டு தான். ஓகே, நியூக்ளியஸை இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணது ரூதர்ஃபோர்டு தான். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் இட்ஸ் கிளியர். தென் we are moving to Rutherford model. So Rutherford model என்ன எப்படின்னா, so here you can see ஒரு thin gold foil எடுத்துட்டு அதில் என்ன இது ஹிட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆல்ஃபா பார்ட்டிக்கிள் வச்சு ஹிட் பண்ணிட்டு, ஸோ ஆல்ஃபா மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஆல்ஃபா பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் என்ன அதில் கிராஸ் பண்ணி போயிட்டு, பட் சம் ஆல்ஃபா பார்ட்டிக்கிள் என்ன அதோட பாத்து கொஞ்சம் டீவியேட் பண்ணி ஹிட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த பாத் என்ன கொஞ்சம் டீவியேட் பண்ணி போயிருக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி சம் பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் என்ன டீவியேஷன் நடந்திருக்கு அண்ட் வெரி ஃபியூ பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் லைக் 2000 என்ன 20,000 நாட் 2000 to 20,000 பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணும்போது அதுல இருந்து ஜஸ்ட் ஒன் பார்ட்டிகிளோட டீவியேஷன் என்ன கம்ப்ளீட்லி பவுன்ஸ் பேக் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஓகே, அது கம்ப்ளீட்லி பவுன்ஸ் பேக் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ இதுதான் அதோட அப்சர்வேஷன். ஓகே, மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் என்ன அது கிராஸ் பண்ணி பாஸ் பண்ணி போயிருக்கு அண்ட் வெரி ஃபியூ பார்ட்டிக்கிள் என்னடா ஸோ அதோட deviation கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கு and very few particle like 1 in 20,000 particle என்ன கம்ப்ளீட்டா பவுன்ஸ் பேக் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஸோ ஹியர் யூ கேன் see most of the alpha particle pass through the gold foil undeflected and a small fraction of alpha particle was undeflected by small angle. So it's very small fraction of alpha particle, okay, and very few alpha particle like 1 in 20,000 that is bounce back, that is were deflected by nearly 180 degree, okay, back என்ன திருப்பி அது இப்படி வந்த என்ன பார்ட்டிக்கல் அது பவுன்ஸ் பேக் பண்ணி 180 டிகிரியில திருப்பி போயிருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ இது ரிலேட்டடா I will give you another question. So tell me, what is the correct answer? D. Okay. So Thomson model of atom. So the Thomson model of atom was correct. Then the result of Rutherford gold foil experiment would have been, okay. So option A, all the alpha particle passes through the gold foil without decrease in speed. No. Alpha particle are deflected over a wide range of angle. Option C is all alpha particle get bounced back by 180 degree. And option D is alpha particle pass through the gold foil deflected by small angle and with reduced speed. So correct answer is option D only. Guys, you are right. Option D is the correct answer. Then when you consider Bohr model, okay, so Bohr model actually two type models irukku. One is atomic spectra proper explain பண்ணிருக்கு. Another one is dual character of electromagnetic behavior or electromagnetic radiation, okay. So we know that wave particle irukku, wave like nature irukku and particle like nature irukku. So when you consider wave like nature, so அதை ட்ராவல் பண்ணும்போது யூ கேன் சி வேவ் லைக் நேச்சர், ஓகே. ஸோ அதை இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது, ஓகே, அதை இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது தே கேன் சி என்ன பார்ட்டிக்கல் லைக் நேச்சர், ஓகே. ஸோ அட்டோமிக் ஸ்பெக்ட்ரால ஹைட்ரஜன் ஸ்பெக்ட்ரா அண்ட் சிங்கிள் எலக்ட்ரான் ஸ்பீஷீஸ், ஓகே, சிங்கிள் எலக்ட்ரான் ஸ்பீஷீஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் யூ கேன் சி so wave nature of electromagnetic radiation and electromagnetic wave. So when electrical charge, okay, ஒரு charge particle revolve பண்ணும்போது, okay, ஒரு அதுக்கு என்ன, when you consider electron, okay, electronic என்ன, electron move பண்ணும்போது you can see acceleration, okay, acceleration is there. So அது ஒரு charge particle, okay, when you consider electron is a charge particle and charge particle என்ன இருக்குடா acceleration you can see, okay. So when electrically charged particle move under acceleration, it will move under acceleration, then alternate electrical and magnetical field, okay, electric and so obviously ஒரு charge particle ஒரு accelerationல move பண்ணும்போது it will produce electrical and magnetic field, okay, electric and magnetic field. So listen carefully, if a charged particle is moving with an acceleration or under an acceleration, so what will happen, it will produce electric as well as magnetic field, okay. So here you can see when you consider electron is moving, so acceleration is there, so obviously what will produce, it will produce electric and magnetic field, okay, it will produce electric as well as magnetic field. So it is actually perpendicular to each other, okay, the electric and magnetic field is perpendicular to each other, okay. Here you can see electric field and magnetic field, and the direction of propagation is also what? It is perpendicular to each other. And important when you consider waves, so waves la important ana ஒரு 4 points தான். And இதை வச்சுட்டு you can see almost ஒரு 10 yearsல 5 years question வந்திருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ frequency இல்லைனா amplitude இல்லைனா wave length இல்லைனா wave number வச்சுட்டு ஒரு 10 yearல 5 yeaரும் இதை ரிலேட் பண்ணிட்டு question வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ first one is wave length. So what is wavelength? Wavelength means it's very simple. Just a second. Okay, wavelength means you can see this is crust and trough. Okay, one crust and trough for a complete length than wavelength, or you can say one trough. Okay, so two nearest trough. Okay, two nearest trough or two nearest crust order length. Okay, or we can say இதோட half. Okay, so ஒரு crust ஓட half and another crust ஓட halfல இருக்கிற length. Okay, that is wavelength. Okay, that is lambda. Okay, wavelength means it's lambda. So normally wavelength ஓட unit Armstrong இல்லைனா picometer nanometerல சொல்ல முடியும். Okay, and next is wave number. Wave number means it is just reciprocal of wavelength. That means 1 by lambda. Okay, so அதோட unit centimeter inverse or meter inverse. Next is frequency. What is frequency? Here nu is equal to c lambda. Okay, nu is equal to c lambda. C lambda, what is c means? C means speed of light. Okay, speed of light. And here the unit of frequency is actually hertz. Okay, hertz or semi inverse. Okay, and next is amplitude. Amplitude is a. And what is amplitude means? It is the height. Okay, it is the height of crust, or here it is the height of crust or the depth of trough. Okay, height of crust or depth of crust. Okay, so Lakshay run பண்ணி ரீச் ஆகிறதுக்கு ஆயிடுச்சாடா? ரன் பண்ணி ரீச் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா சொல்லு, I will come down. Okay, so நான் first floorல தான் இருக்கு. So if you reached here, just ping me. Okay, if you reached here, just ping me, I will come down. So yeah, characteristics of electromagnetic wave. So electromagnetic order wave, like characters. Okay, so first one is, I already mentioned that it is perpendicular to each other, and it both are perpendicular to the like what? The propagation. Okay, the perpendicular to the direction of propagation also. Okay, so the magnetic field and the electric field are perpendicular to each other, and both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Okay, so that is the first point. So unlike sound waves or water waves, okay, when you consider sound waves and water waves, EM waves can travel in vacuum. Okay, so unlike water waves, and it can travel in vacuum. So unlike sound waves and water waves. Okay, then next is electromagnetic spectrum. So electromagnetic spectrum means it is the arrangement of what? It is the arrangement of various type of electromagnetic waves. Okay, so x-rays இருக்கு, gamma rays இருக்கு, and IR இருக்கு, UV இருக்கு, visible இருக்கு. So இது எல்லாமே ப்ராப்பரா அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி இருக்கிறது தான் electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, that is actually electromagnetic spectrum. So here you can see this is electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, gamma ray, x-ray, UV, visible, IR, micro, and FM, AM. Okay, so long wave. So here you can see this is a gamma, x-ray, UV. This is UV, and don't assume this is UV. Okay, this is UV, this is visible, and this is infrared, and microwave, and radio wave. Okay, so from gamma to radio wave, the wavelength is increasing. Okay, wavelength is increasing means frequency is decreasing. Okay, wavelength and frequency is inversely proportional. If wavelength increases means frequency decreases. Hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Then I will give you one question. Yes, wavelength inversely proportional to frequency. Hey, please don't. Alexei, no. Hey, poda. So tell me what is the correct answer. Just write the answer. I will come. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Take care of your mom, Ada. So what happened to your mom? Lakshay. Okay. So tell me guys, what is the correct answer? Yeah, correct answer is A only. Correct. Very good. Then particle nature. So when you consider particle nature, so it's mainly Planck quantum theory. What is Planck quantum theory? So it's a imaginary box. Okay, just assume that it's an imaginary body. So it can emit and absorb all the radiation waves. Okay, so it can continuously, but the thing is like it can emit and continue, emitted or absorbed body, not continuously. Okay, it's not absorbing the energy continuously, but it's absorbing and emitting the energy discontinuously. Okay, so discontinuously, just assume that இது ஒரு body. So இது continuous energy emit பண்ணாது இல்லனா absorb பண்ணாது. it will it will absorb or emit like packets. So packet of energy, that packet is one packet is called quanta. Okay, so that packet is actually called quanta. Okay, so yeah, so that discrete ஒரு packet நம்ம எப்படி கூப்பிடும் quanta. Okay, that energy packet is actually called quantum. Okay, so quantas. So energy directly proportional to frequency. So here you can write it as E directly proportional to mu. Okay, so nu, and E is equal to h nu. Okay, E is equal to h nu. What does h means? H means Planck constant. Okay, h means it's Planck constant, and we know that n number of packets are there. Okay, assume n number of packets are there. So you can write it as NH nu. Okay, is equal to NH nu. N is HS, Planck constant, and the value of Planck constant is 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule. Okay, that is the value of H, Planck constant. Okay, so here we can write it as, we know that E is equal to nu. Okay, so E is equal to E directly proportional to nu. E is equal to H nu. So E is equal to NH nu. So we know what is the value of, I mean, what is actually nu? Nu means it is C by lambda. Okay, so it is C by lambda. So you can write it as, instead of nu, you can write it as C by lambda. Okay, okay, clear. Clear. Then I will give you one question. Come on, try. C by, yes, mu is equal to C by lambda. See, okay. So we know that ratio of the energy of a photon will, with wavelength, wavelength 3000 Armstrong ratio. Okay, okay. You should find the ratio. So we know that E is equal to, E is equal to 1 by lambda. Okay, E is equal to, E proportional to, not equal to, E proportional to 1 by lambda. So we can write it as E1 divided by E2, because we are taking ratio is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. So I'm writing E value we don't know, and lambda value we know, lambda value we know lambda value only. Lambda value is given. So I'm writing 3000 divided by 6000. So guys, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is actually, yeah, if you were taking ratio means, yeah, the ratio is actually 2 by 2 is to 1. Okay, 2 is to 1, 2 is to 1. Your correct answer is 2 is to 1. Guys, here it is, here it is 6, and here it is 3. So 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Yeah. Then I will give you next question. What you missed? B, 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 B. So same type question, okay. It is also 2011 question. So E1 divided by E2, E lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. So we know that E1 E2 value is 25 divided by 50 LA. Yeah. 2 lambda 2. Option B is correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. 2 lambda 2 is equal to lambda 1. Then we are moving to photoelectric effect. So guys, what is photoelectric effect? So assume a metal surface, okay. Lambda 1 is equal to 2 lambda 2. Yes, correct. So just assume a metal surface, okay. Light hit பண்ணும்போது அந்த metal surfaceல free electrons இருக்கும். So அந்த free electrons அங்கிருந்து escape ஆகும், okay. So அதுதான் photoelectric effect, okay, clear. So here you can see photoelectric effect means experiment in which electrons were ejected when certain metal, so like potassium, rubidium, cesium, okay. So எல்லா மெட்டலும் இல்ல, some metals were exposed to beam of light as shown in figures not shown. I will, if you want, I will draw the figure, okay. Electrons are there, so the light will come, the light, electrons will eject, okay. Electrons will eject. So the phenomenon is called photoelectric effect, okay. That phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. And idhula 3 points, important are 3 points irukku. So the first point is the electron are ejected from the metal surface as soon as the beam of light strikes the surface. So inga time lag irukadu, okay. So எப்போ வந்து light like mean light வந்து ஹிட் பண்ணும் அந்த சேம் செகண்ட்லயே அங்க இருந்து எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் என்ன eject ஆகும், okay. Electrons என்ன eject ஆகும். There is no time lag, okay. There is no time lag between that, okay. So next point is number of electron ejected is proportional to the intensity or brightness of light. So high brightness high intensity light hit பண்ணும்போது what will happen, number of, okay, more number of electron will eject, okay. More number of electron will eject, okay. So that is the second point. So next is for each metal there is a characteristics minimum frequency, okay. So for இங்க இருந்து ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை eject பண்ணனும்னா ஒரு minimum frequencyல இருக்கிற என்ன லைட் வச்சு ஹிட் பண்ணனும், okay. less than அந்த frequencyல இருக்கிற லைட் வச்சு என்ன ஹிட் பண்ணா nothing will happen, எலக்ட்ரான் அங்கிருந்து eject ஆகாது, okay. மினிமம் frequency இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் அந்த எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் அங்கிருந்து eject ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த மினிமம் frequency தான் threshold frequency, okay. threshold frequency. So below threshold frequencyல electrons அங்கிருந்து என்ன eject பண்ண முடியாது. So below which is photoelectric effect is not observed. So below என்ன below threshold energyக்கு below வரும்போது threshold frequencyல below வரும்போது what will happen, nothing will happen. You can't observe photoelectric effect. And at frequency nu greater than okay, greater than nu 0, the ejected electron come out with certain kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of these electron increases with increase in frequency of light used. So what will happen? So இங்க இருந்து electron என்ன? So இங்க இருந்து electron eject ஆகும். Okay. So இந்த electron move பண்ணனும்னா ஒரு particular kinetic energy வேணும். Okay. Obviously இந்த electron move ஆகணும்னா particular kinetic energy வேணும். So எங்க இருந்து இந்த kinetic energy கிடைக்கும்? So it's very simple. Kinetic energy கிடைக்கிறது. So high intensity ல இங்க வந்து hit பண்ணும்ல. So அந்த intensity, light ஓட intensity kinetic energy ஆ மாறுங்க. Okay. So yes. So next is hydrogen spectrum. Next is hydrogen spectrum. So when you consider hydrogen spectrum, so hydrogen spectrum, what is hydrogen spectrum? Just assume that a cylinder la hydrogen gas is there. So I'm applying energy, electricity, okay, H2, 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 lots of H2s are there. So I'm applying electricity. Then what will happen? This hydrogen molecule will become hydrogen atoms, hydrogen atom. It will accept that energy and it will become hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom convert ion. So when electrical discharge is passed through gaseous hydrogen, okay, gaseous hydrogen la pass பண்ணும்போது this hydrogen molecule dissociate, okay, hydrogen molecule dissociate and it will form hydrogen atom. Okay, so it will accept energy and it will goes to higher energy state. Okay, it will move to higher energy state and so obviously inga irukra hydrogen higher energy state la poganuna. So what will happen? It should absorb energy. Okay, absorb பண்ணிட்டு higher energy state la போயிருக்கு. So higher energy state la actually அது unstable தான். So அது என்ன, அதுக்கு திருப்பி lower energy state la திருப்பி வரணும். So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? அக்செப்ட் பண்ண அந்த எனர்ஜி இருக்குல்ல, அப்சார்ப் பண்ண அந்த எனர்ஜி இல்ல, அந்த எனர்ஜி ரிலீஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ கீழே வரும்போது அந்த எனர்ஜி ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு கீழே வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ ரிலீஸ் பண்றது எப்படி இருக்கும்டா, எலக்ட்ரோ மேக்னெட்டிக் ரேடியேஷன். ஓகே, ரேடியேஷனா அது எமிட் பண்ணும். ஓகே, இட் வில் எமிட் radiation. So அந்த என்ன, hydrogen will emit radiation. clear இல்ல? அப்போ என்ன, ஒரு spectrum form ஆகும். okay, ஒரு spectrum form ஆகும். So that is hydrogen spectrum. okay, that is hydrogen spectrum. Here you can see hydrogen spectrum. So n is equal to 1. n is equal to 1 means that is the ground state. Okay, so ground state la irundha n1, n2, n3 and n4, n5 up to n infinity varaikum irukku. Okay, so idu energy accept pannittu higher energy level illana excited state la pogum. Excited state up to n infinity varaikum irukku. So here you can see n1. What does n1 means? What does n1 means? It's very simple. It is ground state. So n2 la n1 la திருப்பி வரணும்னா at least n2 la அது ரீச் ஆகணும். ஓகே, n1 la திருப்பி வரணும்னா at least அது n2 ல இருந்து மினிமம் n2 ல இருந்து வரணும். ஓகே, ஸோ மினிமம் n2 ல இருந்து வரலாம், இல்லைனா n3 ல இருந்து வரலாம், இல்லைனா n4 ல இருந்து வரலாம், இல்லைனா n5 ல இருந்து வரலாம், இல்லைனா up to n infinity ல இருந்து கூட வரலாம் n1 ல. ஓகே, ஸோ here this, okay, different series இருக்கு. So n1 ல ரீச் ஆயிருக்குன்னா எங்க இருந்து வரலாம்? So maybe n2 ல இருந்து வரலாம், 3 ல இருந்து வரலாம், 4 ல இருந்து வரலாம், up to infinity ல இருந்து கூட வரலாம். So if it is reached at n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1 ல ரீச் ஆயிருக்குன்னா that is actually Lyman series. Okay, that is actually Lyman series. clear ah? That is actually Lyman series. clear? clear? Lyman series. Okay, so suppose n is equal to 2. Suppose n is equal to 2. n is equal to 2 means, so n is equal to 3 ல இருந்து n is equal to 2 ல ரீச் ஆகணும். Okay, so because higher energy state ல இருந்து lower energy state ல வருது. So minimum n is equal to 3 ல இருந்து n is equal to 2 ல ரீச் ஆகுது. Okay, so here you can see ரொம்ப கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, இந்த சீரீஸ்ல கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு and this is Balmer series and guys visible regionல இருக்கிற series தான் Balmer series. Okay, visible regionல இருக்கிற series தான் Balmer series. So, and if n is equal to 3, okay, n is equal to 3 means next n is equal to 3 means next எங்க இருந்து வரணும், minimum n is equal to 4 ல இருந்து n is equal to 3 ல reach ஆகணும். Okay, that is actually Paschen series. Okay, so Lyman series, if n is equal to 1, that is Lyman series. N is equal to 2, Balmer series. N is equal to 3, Paschen series. N is equal to 4, bracket series. N is equal to 5, fund series. Okay, so total 5 series na irukku. Okay, Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, fund. Okay, so yes, ஸோ இதோட எனர்ஜியும் இது எந்த ரேஞ்சில் இருக்கு அதுவும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஓகே, ஸோ இது ஒரு ஸ்பெக்ட்ரல் ரீஜியனும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். ஸோ வென் யூ கன்சிடர் லைமன் சீரீஸ் கம் அண்டர் யூவி. ஓகே, அல்ட்ரா வயலட் ரீஜியன்ல தான் இருக்கு. அண்ட் பால்மர் சீரீஸ் விசிபிள் ரீஜியன், யூ கேன் சி பால்மர் சீரீஸ். ஓகே, பால்மர் சீரீஸ் விசிபிள் ரீஜியன்ல தான் இருக்கு. அண்ட் வென் யூ கன்சிடர் பாஸ்டன் சீரீஸ் பிராக்கெட் அண்ட் ஃபண்ட் அது இன்ஃப்ராரெட்ல தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதை பேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு முன்னாடி question வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ ஐ வில் கிவ் யூ question, I will show you question. Answer is also there. இது ஆன்சர் நான் பண்ண ஆன்சர். ஸோ ஹியர் இது 2019ல வந்த கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, 2019ல வந்த கொஸ்டின் தான். எஸ், கிளியர். Which of the following series of transition in the spectrum of hydrogen atom falls in visible region? That is Balmer series. Okay. Next, you can see Bohr model. So when you consider Bohr model radius, energy and velocity base பண்ணிட்டு தான் question வரும். So இதோட equation is very important. Okay, இதோட equation is very important. அட Paschen series Lakshay, what is this Lakshay? What is this behavior? What is this behavior? Paschen series, seriously. Yeah. It is not the answer. Okay. So radius and energy or equations are very important. Okay. So I will give you one question. Try this question. I will come. Okay. கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கா? I'm just I'm just only emotional damage. What is this behavior? Emotional damage. So sad. Yeah, yeah. Again, yeah. You again. Yeah. So tell me, guys, what is the correct answer? Energy of an electron. So tell me, correct answer kadichirka. Ashika. Ashika's. Ashika, I think Ashika is so padipi girl. Yeah, yeah, padipi. Option A. Yeah, yeah, padipi. Padipi, Ashika. Ashika is not saying anything. So yeah, we know that. So we know that for the energy of an electron in the ground state, N is equal to 1. For helium, ion, H plus, okay, He plus is minus X, okay, joule. Then that for electron in N2 state, okay, N2 state. So we know that equation, energy or equation. So E and BE3 plus order the theriyano. So BE3 plus and EE direct substitute panna podu. Correct answer is option A only. She's saying thank you. Okay. I will call you Padipi only now. Okay. Now onwards, I will call you Padipi. I will give you another question. Eda, நீ டவுட்டே கேட்கல. You're just saying, ma'am, doubt. Always don't spam da. So come on, guys. What is the correct answer? You in the side, on the side. Okay. Yes, what is this behavior spammer? Yeah. He's not asking any doubt, but always he will ask, ma'am, clarify my doubt. What doubt you have? What is this behavior? Spammer. Just watch again. காமெடியா இருக்குல்ல? What lection's not gonna live the dialogue, yeah. Trademark dialogue. A, ma'am. A. Sure it is A. I don't know. Heisenberg uncertainty principle, quantum. Okay. Coming to Hyderabad, no idea. Grishma, you're from Hyderabad. Here I can see lots of students are from Hyderabad. Ankita is also from Hyderabad. Grishma is also from Hyderabad. Hepsi, not Hepsi. Hepsi is Chennai, but she's half Hyderabadi. And Hema, lots of students are from Hyderabad. My name is Varshini. Yeah, so what? Okay, your name is Varshini. So you're from, okay. Grishma is from Telangana. Okay. Karimnagar. Okay. Karimnagar. Okay. Yes. Let me check the answer statement. According to Bohr's model, hydrogen atom, angular momentum of an electron give a stationary state is quantized. Yes, it is quantized only. The concept of electron in Bohr orbital violates the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Concept, yeah, it will, yes. Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we can't measure. Ballari, you're from Ballari. Ashika from Kerala. Aha, I can see South Indian students here. Tinnara. So already I explained, just go and watch again. Then we are moving to quantum numbers. So guys, so quantum numbers, when you consider 4 quantum numbers are there. Oh, this is quantum mechanical model. Okay, then after this we will take quantum numbers. Okay, so quantum mechanical model, both exact position and velocity cannot determine simultaneously. Yes, when you consider the position of electron and the velocity, we can't determine simultaneously. Okay, so that is very important. Second one is energy of electron in an atom is quantized. Okay, so now only we discuss one question related to this topic. Okay, energy of an electron in an atom is quantized. Second point. And third point is an atomic orbital is the wave function. For wave function means psi. Okay, this is psi, this is wave function. Okay, Divya is saying my auntie is in Chennai. Ma'am, my mother tongue is Telugu. Even I know Tamil and Malayalam. Oh, nice. You know everything, Divya. Where level? Yeah, so all information of electron is in psi. So psi is a wave function. Okay, so psi இது அவ்வளோ டீட்டெயிலாக உங்களுக்கு குவாண்டம் மெக்கானிக்கல் மாடல் இல்லைனா குவாண்டம் மெக்கானிக்கல் டெப்த்தில் இது தேவையே இல்லை. உங்களுக்கு இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சால் போதும். இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸில் இருந்து கொஸ்டின் வர்றதுக்கு சான்சஸ் கம்மி தான் இருக்குது. ஓகே, குவாண்டம் மெக்கானிக்ஸில் இருந்து அவ்வளோ கொஸ்டின் வரல. ஓகே, இந்த சாப்டர்லேருந்து கைஸ் கிவ் Energy. No, ma'am. By putting fire. Yeah, Shika. So psi square means it's probability of finding electron. So இந்த சைடில் இந்த ஏரியாவில் எவ்வளோ ப்ராபபிலிட்டி இருக்குது, ஸோ அதுதான் psi ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ ப்ராபபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் ஃபைண்டிங் எலக்ட்ரான் அட் அ கிவன் பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, കുറച്ച് എനിക്കും കുറച്ച് മലയാളം അറിയും മാം. ഐ നോ 6 ലാംഗ്വേജസ്. ഓ, 6 ലാംഗ്വേജസ്, നൈസ്. ഫാത്തിമ, യു നോ മലയാളം? അടിപൊളി അടിപൊളി. Okay, so next is quantum numbers. So when you consider quantum numbers, we have four quantum numbers. Okay, and 4 quantum number ரொம்ப important தான். First one is principal quantum number, that is n, and azimuthal quantum number. When you consider principal quantum number, normally n வச்சு தான் represent பண்ணும். Okay, thank you so much for the fire. Yeah. Okay, so principal quantum number n and energy of an orbital. So normally n which we can calculate energy of an orbital or shell and the size of that orbital also. When you consider azimuthal quantum number, we will represent with letter L, small letter L. Thank you so much. So L, and so from azimuthal quantum number we will get shape of shell. Okay, shell oda shape kadaikum. And when you consider magnetic quantum number, that is orientation of an atom. Okay, so we can represent ml or m. Okay, that is magnetic quantum number. Spin quantum number means the orientation of electron. Electron can spin the direction of spin. Okay, so it can spin like clockwise or anti-clockwise. If it is clockwise means it is positive half. If it is anti-clockwise means it is negative half. Okay, I hope it's clear. Then some important formulas are there. Okay, so if n is given, okay, if n is given, they will ask number of orbitals. So how we will calculate number of orbitals? N square. Okay, n square is number of orbitals. Telugu, English, Malayalam. Lakshay, where is Lakshay? Lakshay, poeta. What is this behavior? Germany, Kannada, what is this, Lakshay? Seriously, Germany or German? Guys, what is happening here? English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam. Divya, really? Really, Divya? Wow, Lakshay. Lakshay, yeah, Lakshay. Telugu, English, Malayalam. Okay. And Fatima, clear, ma'am. I will attend. You know Russian a bit. Oh, really? You know Russian? Eh, chumma, you're saying. Fatima, Tamil, English, Korean, French, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, ma'am. Oh my God, how you are learning all this language? 2 languages, ma'am. Ashika, Malayalam and Tamil. English, Korean. So how we will say, how are you in Korean? How we will say, how are you in Korean? I don't know Korean. How me? So I know you guys are watching K-dramas and all. K-pops. Then Lakshay, when I learned in Duolingo. Oh, Duolingo. What is Duolingo app? I heard Takshin also one day told me that I learned all these from Duolingo. Duolingo. Okay. Effect of K-drama. Yeah, effect of K-drama only. I can see. It is the effect of K-drama. International language learning app. Lakshay. Oh. I know Tamil, Malayalam, English, thoda Hindi. That's all. K-pop, K-drama. Yeah. You're a Gen Z kids. You all are Gen Z kids, alle. Pookies. So yeah, yeah, come on guys, I want to finish. Yeah, Hema, I think it's Hema, Hema, are you Hema? Ravila Prasanna, I think it's Hema. I'm seeing after a long time. Where is Hema? Hema, how are you? Wazer, it's Wazer. How to pronounce? Yes, mammy only. Okay, I hope your health is okay. So Hema, health எப்படி இருக்கு? Hema, health எப்படி இருக்கு Hema? Gensies. Yeah, Gensies. Yeah, I'm good. I'm okay. I'm so happy I'm seeing you after a long time. Okay. So number of electron, how we will calculate? That is 2n square. Okay. So if they are given L, what is L? Azimuthal quantum number. Okay. So we can calculate number of orbitals, that is 2l plus 1. Number of electron, 2 into 2l plus 1l. Okay. 2 into 2l plus 1. So yes, this is also very important equation. So here I will give you some questions. Okay. Try to solve this question. Yes, I'm good. Wazir. Jal Jineyo. How to pronounce this? I don't know the pronunciation. Jal Jineyo in Korean. Jal Jineyo. Jinayo. So next chemistry session at Monday da irukku. Okay, Monday da next chemistry session irukku. Okay. Okay. So tell me guys, what is the correct answer? I am too long voted. Okay, ma'am, I will join Monday sharply. 7. No, 7 ada. Okay. Your battery is 7. Okay. Oh, Grishma. So the correct set of 4 quantum number for the valence electron. Okay. So 37 rubidium. So rubidium electronic configuration first you should write. So then you will get answer. Okay. So yeah, here you can see it is 5s. 5s means n is equal to 5. So there n is 5. And next is set of quantum number, azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number is s is equal to s. 5s, it is 0. And m, yeah, m is also 0, because what is the m value? M value is equal to minus L2 plus L. So minus L2 plus L. L value is equal to 0. Then m value is also 0. So correct answer is option 4. Okay. ஐ ஹோப் இட்ஸ் கிளியர். எடா இதில் லைக் லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் சால்வ் பண்ண பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸோ எஸ், ஐ ஹோப் இட்ஸ் கிளியர். ஸோ நான் இப்போ ஐ வில் ஃபினிஷ் த செஷன். உங்களுக்கு 4 o'clock லெரின் மேமோட கிளாஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஓகே கைஸ், பை பை. ஓகே, bye.